guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the latest and upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here, I'll be sharing and providing all the information that you need to know, from product names, prices, SKU product features, and launch dates. Just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CA and the website. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, so let us start first with the Monogram Iridescent collection. So this is the continuation. First we have the Nano Steamer. Price is €2,000. This collection guys would be launching March 13th. This is the interior. I love the interior. So it features monogram canvas with iridescent monogram colorway with cowhide leather trims, and we have detachable leather strap with silver hardware. Next on the collection, we have a pocket organizer. Price of this one is €390. We have SQ here, Monogram Iridescent collection that will be launching March 30th. So this is the interior. I love the interior guys. I love the color gray. So monogram canvas with iridescent monogram colorways. The material with cowhide leather trims. And then next on the collection, we have a long zippy wallet. So this one for the price, kindly stand by, but we have SQ here. It features, of course, the same material, which is the very beautiful and new monogram canvas with iridescent monogram colorway. Guys, take note, this is not part of the Murakami collection. So this is a different collection from that collaboration. So it would feature cowhide leather trims with gray leather interior with silver hardware. Next, we have Victor wallet. Price is $700 USD. Material is monogram canvas. As we can see here, it has a silver hardware. So this is the interior when you open. I am loving this one. And guys, please notice the headphone logo or writing on the inside of the SLG. Next, we have the coin card holder. So this is the other colorway that I have discussed previously. So we are going to see more bags and SLG on this one. So once I have more info guys, kindly stay tuned. So just make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you are going to get notified immediately. So we have this card holder. Price is $515 USD. Next, we have the Monseries backpack. So this one, €3,650. We have SKU here. So this is from the men's capsule collection. The material guys, you're going to love this one, is blazing denim with monogram canvas, and it has cowhide leather chips. As you are going to see, the monogram logo is in the multicolor way as well. Next guys, how gorgeous is this Speedy size 40. Price of this one is €3,300. Material is the blazing denim with monogram detail. Then we have the cowhide leather trims. Colorway is like a dark gray. It would come with silver hardware with detachable strap. Next, we have Discovery backpack. Price of this one is €2,300 from the men's capsule collection. Material is the men's Taiga. with cowhide leather trims. The color of this one is sky blue with silver hardware. Guys, the men's capsule collection. So I have the lookbook in a while, so I'm going to show it to you. So here, so by the way, this size is PM. Then we have this very beautiful Keepall size 45. Price of this one is 2,650 euro. Material is the men's Taiga with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it would come with a bag tag, and the colorway of this one is lemon. So hopefully the bag charms and chains comes with, but please do stand by for that one. Then here we have the Horizon rolling luggage. For the lookbook, guys, I don't have the prices yet. Once I have more info, I'll be sharing to everyone. So this one, we have this cassette bag charm as well, as you could see. So what do you think of this combination? So on top of the Horizon rolling luggage is the backpack that we have discussed, and the colorway of that one is sky blue. Then we have a messenger bag here. So this one, the material is men's Taiga with cowhide leather trims. The colorway of this one is lemon. So this is the close-up. It would come with an adjustable shoulder strap, so you could wear this as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody, and it would come with a zipper pocket in front with silver hardware. Next, on the men's capsule collection, we have another messenger bag. But guys, zooming on this one, it seems that the material is in leather, and it is indeed the May Bean pattern. How beautiful is this one? So of course, it would come with non-detachable but adjustable shoulder strap. So it would come with silver hardware as well, and the colorway of this one is in gray. And then we have the very beautiful Keepall. So for the size, guys, I'm guessing 35 or 45. So it is the same material as a while ago. So the in leather in the May Bean pattern, as we could see here. So it would come with silver hardware. So it would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. And of course, it would have a bag tag as well. Just kindly take note that it would have the same launch date of March 13th, 2025. Then we have messenger bag. So going back to the Blazon Denim collection in the color noir. So zooming in, guys, as you can see, it is the same messenger bag design. As you can see, loving this one in the noir. Then of course the multicolor Louis Vuitton logo with the non-detachable strap. What do you think of the Blazon Denim material, guys? Would you go for it or not? Kindly comment down below. Then we have a Christopher backpack, going back to the leather material in the May Bean pattern, as we could see here. So this is the close-up. So this is like a smaller version of the backpack. So I'm guessing this would be perfect as well for everyday use and maybe even for travel. Of course, it would come with silver hardware. Next on the collection, we have the another shoulder bag in the Blazon Denim material. So unfortunately, guys, I do not have more photos of this one, but what we could see here is that the material is the Blazon Denim with the multicolor LV logos on the entirety of the bag. I love that it's just a shoulder bag, and I love that men carrying a shoulder bag style like this one. Then let us go back to the pocket organizer. So we have price of 460 USD. We have SKU here. So this is from the capsule collection still, and material is the men's Taiga with monogram canvas. It would come with cowhide leather trims, and the colorway of this one is sky blue. Actually loving this colorway, guys. What do you think? It's very soothing on the eyes. Perfect for spring, summer. Next, we have pocket organizer, and the colorway of this one is in lemon. So same as the SLG a while ago, same price of 460. Screenshot for the price and SKU here. Material is men's Taiga monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Take note, everything would be launching March 13, 2025. Happy shopping! There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!